For the first hairstyle, begin with your hair parted in the middle. Gather a small section from either side of the parting. We'll come back to these later on. Now take a larger section of hair from behind the ear, backcombing to create volume if necessary. Smooth the section and roll it upwards to make a victory roll. Pin it neatly into place and make an identical roll on the other side. Make sure it follows the natural angle of your hairline and you can't see through the middle of the roll. When both sides are pinned up, the front sections from earlier are now going to be turned into imitation bangs. The intended outcome is for the bangs to look as if they blend into the victory rolls at the side. As with the side sections, backcomb the hair and smooth it out. This time, however, the hair is rolled under instead of upwards. Position the roll in a way that connects the back of the bangs to the front of the victory roll and pin carefully into place. Make sure no pins are visible. Then repeat this process on the other side, taking care to have both sides looking as similar as possible. For the back of this hairdo, separate the hair in half at the back. Take one section firmly and brush it as smooth and straight as possible. Brush the ends upwards and roll the hair up into a long, continuous roll. Place this roll high up behind the side victory roll and secure it into place. The rest of the roll should be gently curving downwards, ending just before the parting at the back. Check that the hairdo is safely in place, then roll up the rest of the hair in the same manner. Once every roll is up, use a comb to gently tidy away any flyaways. For the common problem of loose strands at the back, roll the hair into a small pin curl and tuck it neatly underneath your hairdo. And here is the finished hairstyle. This hairdo requires a curl set. Style the front hair out of the way. In victory rolls, as shown here, a pompadour, or any similar arrangement of your choice, as long as it doesn't interfere with the back. Then pick up a strand from behind the ear and, holding it out from the head, start twisting it towards the center. With a bobby pin, fasten the twisted strand firmly at the center back of the head. Then do the same on the other side, with both twisted strands meeting in the middle. Now take the free ends of the twists, comb through, and fashion into a roll. It can be upturned or down, depending on your preference. Pin into place. Comb the rest of the hair into a smooth pageboy style shape. Brushing over your thumb like so can help achieve that silhouette. Take the end of the hair behind each ear, bring it up and around to where the twists begin, and secure it in place with pins. The last step is giving everything a once-over with the comb to ensure the hair is smooth and tidy, and this hairdo is complete. Start with your hair parted in the middle. Take a rectangle-shaped section of hair from the center top of the head like so, and pin it out of the way to be styled later. Separate the hair into halves at the back. Take one half and, holding it outwards, twist it towards you. Fold upwards like so and pin it into place. Shape the end of the section into a roll facing the center of the head. Then do the same thing on the other side. Twist, fold, pin, and roll. When you have two center-facing rolls, it's time to style the middle section from earlier. Separate the section into 3 even strands. Then, roll each strand up into a standing roll, taking care you cannot see through them, and pin into place. Make sure all rolls are facing in the same direction and are of similar size. When everything looks to your liking, the hairdo is complete. And that's all!